Hi, I'm Aoife O'Brien, founder of Happier at Work, best-selling author of Thriving Talent, and host of the award-winning Happier at Work podcast. Welcome to Happier at Work HQ. If you believe that work can be better than it is, you're in the right place. Here, we challenge conventional wisdom about work to better understand why organizations struggle with engagement and retention despite their best intentions, why talented people lose confidence, why high performers experience imposter syndrome, and why so many people feel they have so much more to give. What if it's not about fixing individuals, but honestly looking at the systems they're operating in? I believe that people perform at their best when the right conditions are in place, when there is psychological safety, when people feel aligned with the culture around them, when their needs and drivers are understood, when their strengths and capabilities are recognised and developed, and when they're led by people who create the conditions for others to thrive. On this channel, we explore the ideas that help people and organisations perform at their best. Here you'll find conversations with leading thinkers, practical insights from organisational research, and honest discussions about what it's really like to work in today's world. Because I believe that people are capable of far more than most modern workplaces enable. And work can be better than it is today. So whether you're a HR leader, a people leader, you work in talent or capability, or you just have an interest in how to make work better, I'm so glad you're here. Subscribe and join in the conversation. Welcome to Happier at Work.